$3,000 just saved because I replaced. This is what we wanted.
If you took your car to the shop or got a code that says replace your catalytic converter, it's pretty scary. But let's take a look at the upstream and downstream O2 sensors to see if we can replace those instead of the catalytic converter. Plug this bad boy in to the OBD2 port down here, and we'll turn on the car. Here's my list of expensive codes. Data for dummies. I really only care about the oxygen sensor. Minimum 0. For this car, a 1.52, that's good. But right here, this is concerning because this should also be flat and the maximum should be like 0.4. You might be saying that scanner looks really expensive, and yeah, it is kind of expensive, but I've gotten better data on a $60 scanner than I have from this thing. It's just that this thing has a bunch of special functions that I can like turn stuff on and off with. AutoZone, $60, it'll get you the same thing.
Got my replacement part and a crazy hairdo. All you need to do this job is your replacement sensor, a ratchet, and an oxygen sensor socket, which you can rent for free.
Here's my catalytic converter, and this is my downstream O2 sensor.
Yep, I've reached this stage of the project again.
Break out the butane torch and some candle wax.
Yes! Haha!
Here's the old one, really disgusting. Here's the new one. Both have the same clip, good to go. While you're under here, you can chase those threads. They're M18 by 1.5, $10 at AutoZone. Get a little thread chaser. These also work for spark plugs, so yeah. Voila, old one's off, new one's on. And yes, there's still wax.
Now we have the oxygen sensor in, the car is running, and I've cleared the codes. So let's look at the data again. This is what we wanted. There's no massive jumps, and look at that, 0.56 and 0.47. Perfect. $600 in parts, 3 hours in labor, and however many fees the mechanic wants to charge you, plus smog check at the DMV and a registration fee. So all in all, like $3,000 just saved because I replaced a $150 sensor. Pretty good.
I'm test driving about an hour from where I live in the mountains of California. I live in the desert building carbon fiber airplanes, so my schedule's been pretty tight, but I look forward to making more content and sharing what I've learned about carbon fiber with you all. That and some other hobbies along the way, it'll be a pretty fun time. I look forward to seeing you there.